What is happening, guys? My name is Yusuf Zab. Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be talking about money, investing, trading, and all about saving. And in this particular video we're going to be talking about UGAZ and DGAZ, and natural gas has been doing it crazy. It's been going up rapidly. There's a lot of countries involved, and I wanted to talk about if it's a good time to invest in one of them, or is it just perfect for basically day trading. So let's get into it. Let's roll. Guys, so today we're going to be talking about shorting the stock market and especially shorting the natural gas. And just because I was looking at the basically pre-market charts and I was going through the trading of natural gas, and I noticed that the natural gas was super bought and it was going up too much, and I saw an opportunity for it to actually come down. And I thought that would be a great time to actually teach you guys and show you guys how it would be able to basically make that stock short and be able to actually make a good amount of money just by shorting such a stock right now. And it is a perfect example as of today, because natural gas, basically UGAZ, was down today 21% during the day and almost 0.5% after hours today. So altogether it's about down about $7.50, 7.50, and it's been crazy. I think it was a perfect time to be able to see that trend and start investing into something that's a little bit more crazy, like basically DGAZ. And DGAZ was doing such an amazing job. It actually went up today right around 20%, just because also UGAZ came down about 20%, 21%, 22%. So we see an amount of craziness that it was going into basically DGAZ, and it actually went up so quickly. And you could see that momentum right from the pre-market hours. About an hour before the pre-market, you could see that trend that the DGAZ is actually be going up, just because there's so much selling off in UGAZ. And if you actually look at the basically charts today, and the amount of volume that it was going basically into DGAZ was crazy. I know it's about 184 right now, and it's a little bit more expensive in terms of being able to buy how many different shares you would be able to buy. But again, you don't have to necessarily have $100,000, $500,000 to be able to invest into these kind of things. You can start your portfolio in such a small amount, just with $200-300. Even if you can purchase basically one share and invest it and learn the relationship between UGAZ and DGAZ, it would be a perfect time for you to be able to certainly buy some days and certainly sell some days. And just because the DGAZ, it was completely opposite of UGAZ, it's a perfect balance to be able to realize what you can sell in the stock market and what you can buy in the stock market. And at the same time, is basically there is days that these two fluctuate completely opposite of each other, and it's a great time for you to basically be able to educate yourself on both of these basically stocks and be able to invest your time into it. For me, I love shorting stock, but I know the risk in it is very massive, and I don't want you guys to spend so much money and waste a lot of money and lose a lot of money in there. But definitely it's something that you want to consider. You want to be able to see it. And for me today, going up almost $30 today, DGAZ was amazing, just because I was able to basically sell it. I didn't sell it right around that it was like way too hot, but I sold mine about $181, and then it went up another $3. But again, it was still a massive amount of gain, which you saw in one just simple day. And I think you guys need to be able to take the time to go over those stuff and be able to see it. And there's a lot of the other accounts like these ones that you would be able to find their basically inverse and shorting the stocks and be able to see. And based on the news, you can always kind of check and see what is going on. Do your own research. These are all definitely my opinion, and that's how I think and how I see the pattern of them going up and down. But you should definitely take the time to invest your time into it. Make sure you can see every single basically position that you have and be able to make sure you're doing the right thing and whatever feels nice to you. I think more than anything, you don't want to ask so many people. You don't want to basically rely your investment on a lot of other people. You want to have enough knowledge to be able to pull that trigger yourself and be able to still learn from it. And I think UGAZ and DGAZ was one of those basically that for today, as of Wednesday, May 6th, it was amazing just the fluctuation that you saw between the two, and you can always be able to catch on onto it. But again, is it a great time to buy UGAZ? UGAZ has been oversold so much right now, and I think it's a great time for you guys to actually start basically buying UGAZ again, just because that's how I think it's gonna happen. And I don't think it's gonna sell off as of right now or this week. Anything more than this, and it's definitely gonna go back up, just has been oversold right now. And I think it's a great opportunity for you guys to be able to get back into that train and basically make your profit by basically UGAZ going up again. And then whenever it's over basically bought again, you would be able to basically sell it and buy DGAZ, and that would be the time that you can start growing your account so quick and so rapidly. Hopefully I learned your thumbs up today. Hope you have a great weekend coming up. Stay tuned. I will try to do my best to upload the videos for you guys every Mondays and Fridays, but a couple of days here and there it might be different for you guys. But definitely make sure you click the bell on the bottom so you get notified every time I release a new video. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and let me know if you guys invest in UGAZ or DGAZ, and hope to see you guys soon again. Ciao.